Hi, my name is Shokat, and today I'm going to show you how you can perform an in-depth keyword research for your roofing business. If you select the right keywords in the first place, you are going to get faster results. If you select the wrong keyword, then it's going to take over a year to start showing good results. Let me show you the exact way I am using for my clients. My main tool for performing an in-depth keyword research for roofing businesses is KW Finders by Mangools. You can actually find it by searching mangools.com on Google. It's a paid tool for performing a local keyword research using mangools.com is the KW finder of mangools.com. So you have to sign up for basic package. They even provide you with a free trial to check a couple of keywords, but this is the main tool that show you the ranking difficulty, average searches for each of the keywords. Let's say you want to perform a keyword research for your roofing business that is located in Miami. To do that, you have to select the city. The main reason for using this tool is it supports all cities within the United States, and you can even find keywords data for majority of cities if you go for keyword research for other countries. So let's say I'm targeting Miami, Florida. Let me type in roofing services and see if it shows us the data for Miami. As you can see, this tool is showing the keywords that majority of the roofing audience is searching on Google to find roofing businesses. And the first column is showing the keywords. The second one is showing the trends. And the third column is showing the number of searches. The fourth one is showing CPC. The fifth column is showing the PPC. And the most important column is the KD, the last column. And this is the keyword difficulty score. And if it's over 30, it's really difficult to rank a keyword like this to the top. If your business is new and you want to rank your business to the top, you might need to select keywords that have KD lower than 30. So to find the actual KD, you have to click on each keyword and it will show the updated ranking keyword difficulty for these keywords. As you can see, majority of the keywords are over 30, but some of the keywords might be below than 30. As you can see, these keywords for metal roofers, you can see it's a good keyword that can be ranked to the top of Google a bit faster because this has a KD of 14, which is really good. And it actually varies in between 0 to 100. If it's low, it means that it's easy to rank. And if it's high, then it means it's really difficult to rank. So you can see this is a roof repair. This is a KD of 25. But when it comes to the keyword ranking difficulty, this tool is good to show the ranking difficulty for keywords that have more than 2 words. Let's say for roof repair, it's showing 25, but in reality, it's really difficult to rank a keyword with just 2 words. It's because it's a broad keyword, it's a short keyword. So you have to try to find keywords that have 3 keywords within them. Let's say if you want to get faster results, then you have to select keywords that have more than 2 words. To do that, you have to go to the filters and you can just add 3 under the number of words. So you have to add 3 where it says minimum and set the filter, and you'll be able to see keywords that have more than 3 words. And when it comes to the roofing contractors near me, you don't have to try to add these keywords to your website. It's not going to help rank your website because Google ranks websites by proximity. So when you properly optimize your website for ranking, then your website will start getting ranked for keywords that contain near me automatically. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to add the actual keywords, but you can see there are some keywords that have more than 2 words, and it says roof leak repair. It has 3 words, and you can see the ranking difficulty is good. It's 18, and it's good to target a keyword like this. You can see concrete tile roofing. You can see many of these keywords, the majority of these keywords have low ranking difficulty, and I recommend going with keywords that have less than 30 KD for new businesses. If your website is old enough and is already getting over 1,000 clicks or 500 clicks per month and you are making a lot of sales, then I recommend going for keywords that have over 30 keyword ranking difficulty. But if your website is new, then I recommend selecting the keywords that have less than 30 ranking keyword difficulty. You can utilize this filter tool to include only keywords that contain roof, and you can set the filter and it will show keywords that only contain roof. And there are other options as well. You can just exclude the keywords that you want. Let's say there is a keyword that contains paint. So let's say I want to exclude all keywords that include the paint. So there was a keyword that had a paint within it. So it's going to filter out all the keywords that are going to be relevant to the roofing business. And you can also filter the keywords by volume. Let's say you want to find keywords that have a minimum search volume of 100, then you can select 100 here and you can set filter, and it will only show the keywords that have search volume over 100. So let me do it again. For some reason, it's showing the seed keyword actually. The reason why we are seeing the keyword that has 80 number of searches is because it's the seed keyword that we have searched to find all these keywords. But you can see all of other keywords have the minimum search volume of 100. If you want to only see the keywords that are less than 30 ranking difficulty, you can just add 30 here, and it will show you the keywords that have only ranking difficulty that is less than 30. This is how you can find the ranking difficulty for each of your keyword. And it's good to use a tool like this and optimize your website properly for these keywords. Is going to get your business to the top of Google faster. I hope this video helps. If you want me to perform an in-depth audit of your website and show you what exactly your website needs, please feel free to send me a message. If you want more videos like this, please leave a comment and like my videos, follow my channel so you'll get videos related to roofing SEO.